Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to the Gulus in the kitchen. Today now I am making an easy method of jowar laddu. It's an healthy food recipe and you can eat when you're skipping the rice. It's a mainly important diet for immunity booster also. Mainly if you some children are not eating an roti, jowar roti, you can eat like laddus and whatever you want in a different way. You can add like kesari also. I will show in another video. And it's an lots of proteins. Jonna laddu and jowar laddu. Check the recipe how I am making. Jaggery 1 cup, peanuts 1 cup, jowar wheat flour 1 cup, and ghee as required. Ilachi powder, it's an essence. You can add ilachi and sugar powder into powder. This is the recipe for jowar laddus. Let's catch my recipes and follow my channel to know more my recipes. First take the vessel and add jowar, and roast it until golden brown color little bit without oil or ghee. When compared to the atta flour, wheat flour have lots of fiber and immunity power too, and the color was changed. You can check. Dry roast is over and take into the plate. Next, roast the peanuts. Peanuts was roasted. Then switch off the flame. Add the jowar flour and mix it, then grind it. Next, add the roasted peanuts and jowar into the mixing bowl. You can check. Next, add jaggery. And ilachi. Then mix it nicely. You can see the jowar flour and peanut jaggery make into powder. Then take like this. Add ghee, melted ghee. It's an 1:1:1 ratio. And ghee. Check the binding how it comes. Mix it nicely. Now you can see how I am pressing like this. This powdery mixture is enough texture. Then take like this and press for long time. You can get a round shape. See, like this. Keep into plate. One more time I am showing. Press it long time. You will get compulsory because of this ratio is definitely super recipe. But it will take time. You have to spend if you want to eat healthy recipe. It's a simple recipe and everybody can do in their homes with 3 ingredients. And finally laddu is completed and now I am tasting. It's a healthy recipe and immunity power too. It strengthens the bones. And thank you so much and follow this recipe.